Hi there, and for this video we will learn to use how to use the Wix email marketing feature in your Wix website, and then we will learn how to add a video into your campaign. And then from here we have here our website, and then we'll just click on marketing, and then we will click on email marketing. So from here you have the option to either use MailChimp or use the template that is present in Wix. So for example, I want to use this template, so I'll just click on it, and then we will be redirected to the editor page of your email marketing website. So for example, I already have this templates right here. So for example, this image, I can click on it, and I can have the option to change the image if I want to, and then also edit some of the other features right here for your image. And for your other features in your Wix email marketing campaign, you have like this. You can change the text if you want. You change the font style and the font size, and you can input some other text styles right here. So it really depends on your preference. And you also have the option to move around your elements in your website, but take in mind that you can only move them up and down between your email campaign. You can't really move them from left to right. And then moving on, and how to add a video. So from here in add elements, we'll just need to find here the video option. Just drag and drop this into your website, and then once we have this element in our website for the video, you can choose if you want to upload a video from YouTube, or you can upload your own video. For example, I will upload my own video. We can choose the file, and then from here you can use the Wix gallery to use their videos for use in your Wix website. You can also use Shutterstock if you want, but take in mind that using this will have payments needed in order to use their videos. And then for example, we'll just use our own custom video. We'll just click on upload media and upload from computer, and then just navigate to where your videos are. And for example, I want to use this video, so I'll just double click on it, and then we will wait for it to upload. And then once it's done, so we'll just wait for it to properly load. So once it's done, you can just click on add to page, and then there we have our video in our email campaign. So if you want to test this, you can just click on preview and test. So here is our email campaign, and then here is our video. So it hasn't loaded. Okay, this is the actual video. So it popped up to a new page. Here is our email marketing, and here is our video playing for our email campaign. And then if you want to change this, just stop the preview, go back to editing, and then for example, I want to change the video. Just click on change video. For example, I want to choose a video from Wix like this one, so I'll just click on add to page, and then again preview and test, and then just scroll down to where the video is, and then a tab will open up. So here's our email campaign, and then click on the video, and then now you can see that the video is playing in our email campaign. And then that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add a video into your Wix email marketing and then using email campaigns. And thank you for watching.